What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making for you a nice oxtail. I'm not claiming this is authentic, and I'm not claiming to be any culture. I'm just letting you guys know what I use, and here goes the ingredients. 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1 red onion chopped. We got the thyme here. Got probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 springs. We got the Scotch bonnet, 1 whole. We got the garlic, the fresh garlic, smashed it up. Got the pimento seeds, whole. And then we got the oxtails, the motherfucking oxtails. And they're clean. Please make sure, guys, you clean your meat. Please. Please just clean your meat. I cleaned it with lemon, lime, vinegar, salt, water. Cleaned it. That's all I'm telling you. Clean your meat. And then we got the ketchup. We got the Lawry's. We have the Oxtail Seasoning. We have the W sauce. I call it the W sauce because not a lot of people know how to pronounce it, and I'm not going to make a fool of myself on YouTube, so it's W sauce. And then we got the soy sauce, and then we got the dark soy sauce, the mushroom flavored dark soy sauce, and then we got the browning, and then we have the butter beans, and then we have the garlic, and here you go, and then we got the Sazon packet. I know people don't use Sazon in their oxtails, but this is what the hell I use, so be it so done. And next segment, I'll show you how to season. All right, I'm back. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use Lawry's first. Yes. Not Lawry's. Be generous. Be generous. You know. Season that bad boy up. That's that. Garlic. Boom. That. Then we're going to use the Oxtail Seasoning. Just do exactly how many shakes you see I'm doing. Oxtail Seasoning, see? And then here goes the browning. The browning, I'm going to measure because I'm not going to OD. This is a tablespoon of browning. That's all I'm using is a tablespoon of browning. Yes, a tablespoon. And then we have the dark soy sauce, which I'm only going to use. Here, the dark soy sauce right here. A tablespoon. Boom. Yes. And then the regular soy sauce, a tablespoon. Boom. Boom. And then we have the W sauce. I'm only using a tablespoon. There we go. I'll put some garlic up in there again. Garlic. Boom, 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 boom. And then we have the ketchup. I'm just going to squirt it. Y'all going to see how much I squirt. Y'all should just know about it. Boom, 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 boom. Shakalaka. Boom. And then now we have all the dry ingredients. I'm not going to go one by one. I'm just going to drop it in that motherfucker. Like that. And now you mix for your life. Mix with them hands. Get it in there. Marinate it. This is what it should look like. The smell of this is awesome. Yes, this is what it should look like, guys. Yes. All right. Now, what I'm gonna let you guys know is to marinate this overnight, because that's when the flavors are gonna sink in, and the freaking food is gonna taste amazing. All food tastes good when it's marinated over time. So what you do is you put it in a container, cover it, and you store it in your fridge overnight, right? So now, what I'm about to do is do the same thing, but I'm not gonna show you guys. That's too much work. I'm gonna take off my gloves, and I'm gonna pull the camera so you can see a closer view on how it looks. Yes. So next time I come back, I'm going to show you guys how to whip it up. Oh, yeah. The can of beans, we don't put that until almost the end of the process. And I forgot to tell you guys that you're also going to need oil to brown the meat, but I'll let you guys know next segment. All right? I'll be back. All right, I'm back. After 24 hours of marinating my oxtail, this is what it looks like. Now we on to the searing process. What we're gonna do is take one of these bad boys. Look at it. And place it soft. Don't go ham. Woo! Yeah. Place it all in there. You hear that, guys? Amazing. Yes. This is the searing process. Woo! 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 Yes, I wish y'all guys could smell this shit. It smells so good. We're gonna keep this on one side for 3 minutes and then turn it over. So y'all can see this process right now. It looks so motherfucking good. You keep your stove at medium high. Yes, medium high to sear these bad boys. All right, now I'm gonna have a tip for you guys. Put hot water. Hot water. Don't use no warm or no cold. Hot water, and then you put it to the side. Do not put it directly on the oxtail. On the side, and half full it right now. See? Do not, I guess that's like 1 cup of water. Do not overfill the oxtail because it's going to take the seasoning away. So now, what I do is I put aluminum foil over the pot. Yes. All right, I put aluminum foil over the pot, like this, like so, and like so. And leave the heat on medium high for 2 hours. 2 hours you leave this. But in 30 minutes, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. And then I'm going to put the rest of my seasonings, wet seasonings in it. All right? So I'll see you back in a half an hour. Peace. All right. This has been an hour and 30 minutes. And you can see that the oxtails are falling off the bone. So now we got to put the butter beans in there, you know? The butter beans, you see? The butter beans. I'll drain the sauce out because there's a lot of sauce in here already. And this is going to thicken your oxtails. Yes. All right. So we're going to leave this in here for another 10 minutes, and that's it. And I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. All right. All right, this is what it looks like after 2 hours. It's done. And I will show you that it's done because it's gonna fall off the bone. Oh, Nelly. Yes, it's done. Let me taste that. This mother heifer is good. So I'm about to plate it up. Ooh, you're about to see this. Don't that look good? Oh, don't worry about the splatters. It is what it is, but it's good. Woo. Oh, oh, don't that look good? That's all I'm showing y'all right now. Oh my God. Look at them butter beans. Them butter beans look so good. I can't even explain to you guys how good it looks. Yeah, look at that. Yes. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yes.